What's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another video, and what we came to talk about, of course, is HOLO. Is it game over or game on? As you all know, we did see a high of that $8.19 here yesterday, and we're down over 16%, which means tomorrow will be a full day of SSR. And if you don't know what that means, stick around. I'm going to explain that to you. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out FFIE, which is and has seen two higher lows here consecutively, back to back. A lot of people might call that an early bull flag. Not only that, we did actually challenge that mid Bollinger Band, but did retrace here. So what we are looking for is a mid cross here. I'm going to explain that as well. If we do see that take place, then FFIE may be on a short-term turnaround, but stick around. We're going to talk about it all. But before we do so, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to consider joining the Making Easy Money Discord so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted in our OB alert section here really quickly. I alerted RGC for the entry price of $6.15, with that price target being $6.90 plus. And if we take a brief look and check out RGC, as you guys can see here, the stock has ran as high here so far of $7.78, again from our $6.15 alert entry. And you too can get these alerts, ladies and gentlemen. All you have to do is click that Discord link that is pinned in the comment section below. So let's talk about it. HOLO. As you all know, with the huge shift, with the huge shift in share float, I have been saying this each and every day, it isn't going to take a lot of buying or selling to sway the share price. Now, as you guys can see here, today's volume was only 5.38 million, coming off of yesterday's volume of 38 million. All right, we did see the share price actually jump from, let's see here, from the open, so we can get a better understanding. From the open, we did see the share price actually jump a 29% increase in price. Huge volume across the board yesterday with that 38 million, but seeing as though that we're down 16% in volume, is only 5.38 million. That lets you know the effect that the share float now has. It doesn't take a lot of buying or selling to sway the share price up or down. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we do expect to see a short-term swing here pretty soon in HOLO. If you have been keeping up with the channel, I'll let everyone know that the 11th may be a day you want to look out for. If we take a brief look and check out the capital trend here today, more shorting than covering, but we do see yesterday 4.47 million in net inflow in favorment. In case you guys don't know what the block orders represent, it represents the extra large and large scale. Now, a huge price point that you want to look out for here in HOLO that may be a cliff price, meaning approaching those levels, things can get very scarce to the downside. And before I let you guys check that one out, I want you to pay a close attention to what is going on with FFIE. And if you're a current FFIE shareholder, please do not forget to comment the ticker symbol FFIE. So if we can get 20 of those, ladies and gentlemen, we will continue to do these FFIE updates. Now, if we take a brief look and check out FFIE's reverse stock split, as you guys can see here, it took about 2 days for this thing to actually turn around, but it was a short-term turnaround, short-lived, and now this thing is basically trying to trend off of Palantir's news. But again, forget about that. If we take a brief look and just check out how things actually took place, if we look at those interval stats here really quickly, that was the wrong thing. If you're still here with me, can you please comment in the comment section below the word "still here with you, Obi?" But as you guys can see here, a gradual gain of 141%. I do feel as though that this will also follow suit alongside FFIE's reverse stock split type of pattern. Not only did FFIE see a short-term turnaround, ladies and gentlemen, Barnes and Nobles also did take a few days to actually see its short-term turnaround. Okay, dropped the first day, but a gradual turnaround here in BNED. and a few others. With that being said, HOLO, we're going to come back to FFIE as well. So if you're still watching, you FFIE shareholders, just give me a second. As you guys can see here, though, oops, let's drop this. Go to this 15-minute chart. But as you guys can see here, we are in that lower canal region on the Bollinger Band. We did actually just see a breakthrough on that 15-minute chart, which is that SAR flip taking place. We may see a slight bull run here take place in HOLO power hour, so be looking out for that as well. But I do feel as though that the bounce here in HOLO is coming up. So if we take a brief look and check out this really quickly, our RGC. Again, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you get over to the Discord so you will stay up to date with all my alerts. Now, PCD here. It's not what we're looking for. We're looking for this, sorry. But as you guys can see here, no obvious signal on the day. 60-minute, though, we're leaning towards that positive signal overall. KDJ over, majorly over. So, but again, though, keep your eyes out on HOLO here tomorrow. Next stock we're going to talk about here, of course, is FFIE. As you all know, they did announce that it is a sizable stake that Palantir currently holds here in FFIE. Now, no matter how they obtain that stake, ladies and gentlemen, we may actually see a ripple effect of that of other companies feeling as though that Palantir may be onto something, and they may also invest into FFIE. All right, they may bail out FFIE for some shares as well. With that being said, the type of cash on hand that FFIE currently needs is more than what Palantir has actually provided in the past. So we may be looking for, we may be seeing some dilution here pretty soon, major dilution. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, so be looking out for that pretty soon. The company actually needs cash on hand, so an offering can actually take place any day now. With that being also said, that cash on hand will give them maybe the cash run that they actually need to bring those averagely costed vehicles to market. As you all know, that the EVs that they currently possess and have to market is like Rolls-Royce style vehicles. They're very expensive. They're well over six figures, and you can't market those to the average consumer, and FFIE is looking to do so. So they're working on average consumer vehicles, and we may see this thing fall into bankruptcy if they do not make the strategic move here pretty darn quickly. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you believe that Palantir will start a domino effect with that announcement and that stake in FFIE? Here on the day chart, like I said before, though, higher low is a very great sign, but what we really was looking for here today was a higher high, whether that was just only 1 cent or 2. But expect for FFIE to come in pretty darn hot here tomorrow as well. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.